Hey, I'm Will. I've been teaching middle and high school math and science since 2011. I've been a student, then an amateur musician ever since I can remember, and I'm a Christian who grew up conservative and evangelical, but has asked a lot of questions and changed in a lot of ways. During my first year of teaching, my students had an English assignment to write an allegorical story in which real people were represented in a fictional universe. One student needed Star Wars versions of everyone, so she asked me what my name would be if I were in Star Wars. Since I was teaching calculus at the time, and math is from the dark side, I picked Darth Calculus, and I've liked the sound of it ever since. At first, it was just a place to upload songs I had recorded so they could easily be shared. The summer of 2019 was a really difficult one because I was leaving my first school and I didn't yet know what I was doing next, or even whether I was going to continue teaching. In a desperate attempt to try anything, I started to produce videos. I had no idea what I was doing, but I hoped that I could throw music, math, performance, anything, and something would stick. It seemed logical to try to establish a brand or something, so I went with the name Darth Calculus and set up social media and everything so I could eventually promote whatever I produced. It didn't work out too well, and then I had another teaching opportunity come up, so I went back to teaching, having introduced myself as Darth Calculus, with basically nothing to show for it. Fortunately, I spent the summer of 2019 learning how to produce videos, so when I had to teach remotely in the spring of 2020, I had a model for producing online lectures in a video format. Those lectures are all available on my work account. I work full-time as a teacher, which is the kind of job where work follows you home, and I have a family, 3 kids and a wife, so I don't have the time for a second career online. I like to have a creative outlet and contribute to this project or that conversation, but there's no semblance of timeliness or relevance to my work. There's no upload schedule. I'm just out here trying to be creative every once in a while because it's fun, and the occasional comment keeps things interesting. Maybe one day I'll stumble on something that people like, but whatever. I'm just doing my thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.